Good morning, class 8. Today we will read our last chapter, An Encounter in the Forest, of our Raintree book. Okay, so let us begin. First, I'll give you some introduction about this play. We can say that it's a play because it has scenes and it has characters also, separate characters, so we can display this chapter in the play form. Okay, so the small introduction is, the story tells us about an incident in which Pandavas stuck badly. Means the Pandavas, yes, of course, that Pandavas related with the Mahabharata, the 5 brothers, Kunti's son, and how they got out by their wit and intelligence. Means one incident had stuck with them, and how they used their wit and intelligence, and how they got rid out of that. Okay, let us read. In the Mahabharata, the Pandavas, 5 Pandavas were there: Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Sahadev, and Nakul. Correct? Lost everything in the game of dice. Means that time a game were playing was very popular. Means two parties had to play the one game, dice game, and in that game they have to pay something. If one party lost, that he had to pay something for his concession, we can say that. So it's similar to the Ludo. We are playing the Ludo in these days, na? So it's the dice game was similar, just similar to the Ludo. They have the dice and some that coins were there, and they played in that manner only. To Kauravas, means Pandavas and Kauravas played a game dice, in which in that game Pandavas lost everything. And yes, Kauravas was the cousin of Pandavas, means they both were cousin, and had to live exile. What is the meaning of exile? Exile means vanvas. We can say exile, vanvas for 13 long and lonely years. Okay, one day in the 12th year, means 1 year left out to complete their exile, only 1 year left out, and one incident had stuck. What was there? A deer ran away with the poor man's fire kindling wood. The poor man went to the Pandavas for help, and they assured that poor man that Pandavas, yes, it's a small tiny things, we can search the deer, but उनको ये पता नहीं था, it's a trick. The deer being a magical one and sped. What is the meaning of sped? Sped means vanished away into the forest. In its pursuit, what is the meaning? Search. Okay, in the search of that deer, the Pandavas wandered deep into the forest. Means they wandered, and I told you that it was a magical, it was disappeared from their eyes. So although they searched very much, they took very much time to search that deer, but it was not possible. Okay, see in the pink box, it's a small introduction about the Mahabharata. It's an epic, है ना. एपिक किस चीज़ को बोलते हैं? जो बहुत बड़ा मतलब ग्रंथ होता है ना, उसको एपिक बोला जाता है. इन द एपिक महाभारत, द पांडवास आर द 5 सन ऑफ पांडु by his 2 wife. Means Pandu has 2 wife, Kunti and Madri. The Kauravas are the son of Dhritarashtra and Gandhari. Means cousins were there, Kauravas and Pandavas were the son of Kunti, and the Kauravas were son of Dhritarashtra and Gandhari. Okay, there was enmity between Pandavas and their cousin, the Kauravas, and they fought against each other in the Kurukshetra war. After completing their exile of 13 years, they fought, Kauravas and Pandavas fought in a Kurukshetra, and it is known as a Kurukshetra war. A game of dice is like a modern game of Ludo, but played by stacking money and other material. They have to stack something while playing this game. In this epic, the Kauravas tricked the Pandavas into losing everything that they had. Unfortunately, they lost everything. They lost that game also, and they lost everything while playing this game. Okay, let us start with the scene 1. Characters are Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Sahadev, Nakul, Yaksh. These 5 characters are there in the forest. The first scene was displayed. Yes, the first scene was displayed in the forest, and the characters Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Sahadev, and Nakul ran in holding their bows and arrow. You can see in the picture they holding their bows and arrow, looking for the deer, because might be they promised to that farmer, that poor farmer, yes, of course we'll search your deer. They look all around but cannot see. Arjun said, "Where did the deer go?" Arjun asked a question. "Where did the deer go?" Yudhishthir said, "It seems to have disappeared. It is futile looking for it." What is the meaning of futile? Means waste, pointless, senseless. Okay. Now it's senseless to looking for it. Also we have been running after it for a long time. Means हमने बहुत टाइम तक उसको सर्च कर लिया और वो हमें नहीं मिल रहा है. Means it's a waste. Let us rest for a while under a banyan tree. And Nakul, can you please climb up that tree and see if there is any pond or river nearby? Because they ran for a long time. They ran for a long time. So now they become thirsty and they want to search a water pond to fetch water and calm their thirst. Okay. Nakul climbs up a tree. Nakul followed the instruction of Yudhishthir and he climbed up the tree at once. I can see water plants. Yes. Now he assumption that I can see the water plants in crane. देखो ये दोनों चीज़ें कहाँ होती हैं जहाँ पे वाटर होगा. ठीक है. A little way off there must be a water body there. Yudhishthir said, "I hope you are right. All of us are very thirsty. Nakul, please go and fetch some water for all of us. Can you bring some water? Can you fetch some water for all of us?" Nakul exits. Yes, Nakul सबसे छोटा था and he followed that order at once. Okay, immediately. Now scene 2 had started near the pond. Yaksh is hiding behind a tree. एक यक्ष जो यमराज के यक्ष और यमराज भी बोल सकते हैं. Hiding behind a tree. Nakul enters. Nakul enter करता है. Nakul, oh, the sight of this pond fills me with such gladness because they all were very thirsty. So जैसे ही उसको पानी दिखा, so he thought, yeah, I'm so satisfied. I can now drink the water and fetch some water for my brothers also. Let me first quench my thirst and then I will take the water for my brothers also. He dipped his hand in the cool water. Yaksh, stop Nakul. Yaksh was hiding behind a tree and he stopped Nakul. This is a magical pond and it belongs to me. This is my pond and it's magical pond and it's belong to Yaksh. Me means Yaksh. No one can drink its water without answering my question. कोई भी इसमें से पानी नहीं पी सकता जब तक वो मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दे देगा. Nakul, looking up in the surprise because he was hiding. Yaksh was hiding. He was not able. Nakul was not able to see anyone. So he did not recognize who is talking this. मतलब हम अगर सुनेंगे तो हम ये बोलेंगे what is rubbish, why what you are saying it's rubbish only. Who is it? Where are you? Is anybody there? He asked some question. I am too thirsty to answer this question. First quench my thirst, then I will answer your question. Let me simply drink the water. उसने बोला कि पहले मुझे पानी पीने दो, मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रही है. He kneel down and drink the water. Kneel down means when we posture our body on our knees, that is kneel down. Okay, and drink the water. Oh, I feel so drowsy. What is the meaning of drowsy here? ड्राउजी मीन्स उसको वो पानी पीते ही नींद आने लग गई थी. ठीक है. ही फॉल्स डाउन एंड अनकॉन्शियस. ही वॉज अनकॉन्शियस स्टेज. सीन थर्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट. युधिष्ठिर एंड द अदर ब्रदर्स आर रेस्टिंग अंडर द ट्री, अंडर द शेड ऑफ ट्री. दे लुक वरीड बिकॉज अभी तक नकुल नहीं आए थे तो उनको सबको बहुत चिंता हो रही थी. युधिष्ठिर लुकिंग एंग्जियसली इन द डायरेक्शन दैट नकुल हैड गॉन. युधिष्ठिर वॉज सो वरिड बिकॉज वो सबसे छोटा था. एक तो नकुल सबसे छोटे थे तो युधिष्ठिर सबसे बड़े थे तो उनको बहुत चिंता हो रही थी. वाई नकुल हैड नॉट कम येट. Nakul has been gone long time. What can the matter be? Sahadev, will you please go and see if everything is all right? Now he ordered to the Sahadev, please you go and see as everything is right or not. Sahadev, of course brother, I will go and find out what is wrong and also get water for all of you. है ना. Sahadev exits. Now scene 4. Near the pond. Again Yaksh is hiding behind a tree. Nakul is lying motionless. He was unconscious because he drank the water without answering the question of Yaksh. So now Sahadev looked at Nakul that he was unconscious. He was very angry. Oh dear, what is wrong with Nakul? Why he is lying on the ground? Is he all right? But दिस अनबियरेबल थर्स्ट। अब क्या हो रहा था कि उनको, ठीक है, उनको दिख तो रहा था कि नकुल वॉज अनकॉन्शियस, बस उनको प्यास भी बहुत लगी, ही वॉज सो थ्रस्टी, सो ही फर्स्ट ही वॉन्टेड टू क्वेंच हिज थ्रस्ट एंड देन ही विल सी what was the matter there. Okay, let me drink some water, least I'll also faint from the thirst and exhaustion. Least means otherwise, means अगर मैं नहीं करूँगा, it's a contractive word. Least means कि पहले मैं अपना पानी पी लेता हूँ, let me quench my thirst, and otherwise I will also faint down, मुझे भी चक्कर आ जाएगा, and exhaust. Sahadev bends down and drink the water from the pond. Yaksh, oh Sahadev, this pond is mine. Again he was saying the same lines which he was saying to the Nakul. This pond is mine. You need to answer my question before you drink this water. Sahadev ignores and warning and drinks the water. उसने सुना ही नहीं, मतलब इतनी प्यास लग रही थी सहदेव को, and he too fall unconscious. तो पानी पीते ही उसको भी नींद आ गई. Motionless. He was motionless. Okay. Scene 5 in the forest. Yudhishthir and the other brothers are sitting in the shade of tree. They were worried because two brothers were gone, and they had gone, and now युधिष्ठिर एंड बिकॉज ऑल टू वॉज, जो नकुल और सहदेव थे वो दोनों छोटे थे, तो सारे बड़े भाइयों को बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता होने लगी, भी इतना टाइम हो गया क्यों नहीं आए. युधिष्ठिर लुकिंग वेरी वरीड. सहदेव टू फेल्स टू रिटर्न. आई एम गेटिंग वेरी वरीड. अर्जुन प्लीज गो एंड सी इफ नकुल एंड सहदेव हैव मेट विद देयर डेंजर, एनी डेंजर. अर्जुन डू नॉट वरी ब्रदर, आई विल गो एंड ब्रिंग्स देम बैक. अर्जुन एग्जिस्ट. अर्जुन भी चले जाते हैं. Scene 6 near the pond. Yaksh is hiding behind a tree again. Nakul and Sahadev are lying motionless. Arjun walks in and finds his brothers lying on the ground near the pool. Now he was very worried. Arjun said, "What is this? Why are Nakul and Sahadev lying on the ground? Have they been killed by someone?" लेकिन वो दूर से ही उनको देख रहे थे, तो उनको लगा कि वो उधर दोनों मोशनलेस हैं, तो are they killed by someone? Who is this hidden enemy? I will avenge their death, but first I must quench my thirst. मतलब सबको बहुत प्यास लग रही थी, और हमें ऐसा लगता है जब प्यास लगती है और गर्मी में इन द समर टाइम, तो सबसे पहले ऐसा लगता है अपने आप को एनर्जाइज करने के लिए हमें पानी पीने की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. दैट टाइम ही वॉज वेरी थ्रस्टी इन सर्च ऑफ दैट डियर, सो नाउ ही फर्स्ट wanted to quench his thirst. Then he thought कि अब मैं अगर पानी पी लूँगा तो मुझ में एनर्जी आ जाएगी, then I'll fight with that hidden enemy. Yaksh, answer my question before you drink the water. If you defy me, you will be follow your brother. मतलब defy means अगर तुम मेरी बातों को सुनते नहीं हो, अनसुना करते हो, तो तुम्हें भी तुम्हारे ब्रदर्स की जैसे अनकॉन्शियस होना पड़ेगा. अर्जुन एंग्रीली, who are you? Show yourself and I will kill you. First come in front of my eyes, then I'll kill you. Fight with me. He shot sharp arrow in the direction of the yaksh. That बोलते हैं डिसअपियर्ड साउंड, जो होती है ना, बिल्कुल कहीं से एक साउंड आ रही है जिसका कोई फिगरलेस जो साउंड आ रही थी, तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने, अर्जुन ने अपनी एक एरो इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ शार्प शूट किया एक एरो से. ठीक है. यक्ष लाफ स्कॉर्नफुली मीन्स दहाड़े मार के हंसना, हा हा हा, like this. Your arrows cannot touch me. This pond is mine. Answer my question and then you can quench your thirst. If you drink the water without doing so, you will also die. मीन्स अभी तक जो तुम्हारे जो दोनों ब्रदर की जो हालत हुई है, तुम भी वैसे ही मोशनलेस हो जाओगे अगर आप मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दोगे. अर्जुन, I'll destroy you as soon as I have quenched my thirst. उनको इतनी प्यास लग रही थी, उन्होंने यही बोला. Same thing was replied by the Arjun. He said, first let me quench my thirst, then I will show you what I am and I will answer you with my arrows. He drinks water from the pond and fall unconscious. अब वो भी unconscious हो चुके थे because उनको बहुत प्यास लग रही थी. Okay, scene 7. Okay, scene 7. In the forest, Yudhishthir and Bhim are Scene 7. In the forest, Yudhishthir and Bhim are pacing up and down. They look worried. Yudhishthir said, Bhim, even Arjun, the great hero, has not returned. Something dreadful. What is the meaning of dreadful? Something is very dangerous must have happened to our brothers. Please go and find them quickly. Bhim was also worried and sure, brother, he exists. Scene 8. Near the pond, Yaksh is hiding behind again the tree. Bhim enters and see Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev lying motionless. Bhim was so worried. And what do I see? 3 of my brothers lying dead. There is more to it than meets the eye. मीन्स इससे बुरा और आज तक मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं देखा. दिस इज सर्टेनली द वर्क ऑफ द यक्ष. वो पहचान चुके थे कि यक्ष का ही काम है. आई विल हर्ट देम डाउन एंड किल देम, बट ओ आई एम सो थ्रस्टी. आई शेल फर्स्ट ड्रिंक सम वाटर, देन आई कैन फाइट विद देम बेटर. He kneels down beside the pool. Again, Yaksh said, Bhim, be aware, attention be. Now he is saying attention. Yaksh said, Bhim, be aware, you might drink only after answering my question. You too will die if you ignore my words. Lastly, Yaksh was also try to make them understand कि first give my answer and then you can drink. मतलब जितना पानी पीना उतना पानी पियो, पर मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो दे दो. बट गलती अपन बोलते ना whose mistakes were there, तो अपन बोलेंगे किसी की भी मिस्टेक नहीं थी. They were thirsty and बस उनको ये रखना था कि they have to answer that question. Now Bhim is saying, glares around in the defiance. What is the meaning of defiance? Defiance means in a way that shows that you refuse to obey someone or something. मतलब हम जब ऐसा मूड अपने ऐसे posture बनाते हैं, अपना इमोशन अपने फेस के ऐसे गेस्चर देते हैं कि ठीक है. Oh God. After some time, Yudhishthir walks in looking distraught. What is the meaning of distraught? Very worried and in trouble. He suddenly sees his brother lying motionless and stops. Means अब lastly जब युधिष्ठिर आए तो उन्होंने ये देखा कि ये क्या, सारे brothers lying unconsciously पड़े थे, तो उनको लगा कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Oh no. What is this I see? Is this to be the end of all the struggles? Means they had struggles, 13 years, a long period of 13 years exile, and almost 12 years had completed. And at the last moment, at the last final year, our struggle is over. The question arises in their mind कि क्या यहाँ पे end है हम लोगों का? Just when our exile is about to end, all of you have been snatched away. I have no reason to continue living in this world. Goes closer and sit down beside them. I wondered who would have been powerful enough to kill you. Means उनको ये था, Yudhishthir thought that we 5 brothers are so powerful that no one can harm us, and what is there? I have no reason to continue living in this world. He was saying, without you, my brothers, I have no reason to live alone in this sophisticated life. The word possesses no warrior who can overcome you. Besides, there are no wounds on your bodies. The one question arises in his mind, and he was so intelligent, that Yudhishthir was so intelligent, he thought that not a single wound. Wound means कोई घाव, कोई भी एक चीज़ का भी घाव नहीं है. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हुआ है which is very big. Something has happened which is very big and witty. Besides, there are no wounds on your body or any trace of enemy footprints nearby. And I told you ना, he was so intelligent, so he searched everything what was happened there. He assumed कि क्या हुआ होगा, तो उन्होंने जब find out किया, he found no footprints of any enemy, no wounds on their body. So he was very wondered and surprised कि हुआ क्या है. Okay. There was surely something magical about this. उनको लगा ठीक है कुछ ना कुछ बहुत मैजिकल ही हुआ है. यक्ष in a warning tone, your brother died because they did not listen me. मतलब वो इसीलिए मरे हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया, उन्होंने सुना नहीं. what I said, do not follow them. तुम मत फॉलो करना एंड आंसर माई क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट एंड देन क्वेंच योर थर्स्ट. पहले तो मुझे मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो और फिर ही तुम तुम्हारी थ्रस्ट को क्वेंच करना. ओके, नाउ Yudhishthir, please ask your question. What makes the sun shine every day? The question was, listen very carefully, what makes the sun shines every day? What makes the sun shines every day? The Yudhishthir, the power of Almighty. What is the meaning of Almighty? भगवान, जो प्रकृति होते हैं, जो भगवान होते हैं, जो उनकी पावर होती है वो ही सन को ताकत देती है एवरीडे शाइन करने के लिए. यक्ष, what is one's best weapon in danger? So, of course, the answer is courage. Third question, what is faster than wind? Then Yudhishthir said, mind, and absolutely correct. It's that हम कहाँ यहाँ पे बैठे ना, हम लोग अमेरिका पहुँच जाते हैं बस within a second in our thoughts. Okay, Yaksh, by giving up, what does one become loved by all? मतलब क्या चीज़ है जो आप देते हो और सब लोग आपको प्यार करते हैं. युधिष्ठिर सेड प्राइड. When one gives up pride, one is loved by all. Yaksh, the loss of what can bring one joy and not sorrow. किस चीज़ का लॉस है जब आपको बहुत खुशी होती है, दुख नहीं होता? क्या चीज़ जो आप खो देने पर बहुत खुश होते हो? युधिष्ठिर सेड एंगर. ऑफ कोर्स, और एंगर, व्हेन वन गिव्स अप एंगर, वन इज फुल ऑफ पीस. सेंस ऑफ पीस occur in the mind. Yaksh said, Yudhishthir, I am very pleased with your answer, so I am willing to restore the life of your dead brothers. Means मैं वापस देता हूँ तुम्हारे brothers की wife को. Whom do you choose? ठीक है, लेकिन मैं शर्त एक ही है कि एक की ही लाइफ वापस दूंगा. मैं सबकी लाइफ वापस नहीं दूंगा, खाली एक ही लाइफ ही वापस दूंगा. सो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ देखना कितना अपनी शार्पनेस और इंटेलिजेंस को यूज़ करेंगे युधिष्ठिर यहाँ पे. आफ्टर थिंकिंग अ मोमेंट, प्लीज़ लेट नकुल कम अलाइव. अच्छा, वो बोलते हैं नकुल को अलाइव कर दो. नकुल सबसे छोटे थे और उनको ही मैंने सबसे पहले भेजा था, इसलिए आप नकुल को अलाइव कर दो. तो अब यक्ष रीज़न पूछेंगे, वाई डिड यू चूज़ नकुल ओवर भीम who is so strong? In fact, I have heard that you love him most of all. And why not Arjun? Won't his skill in the arm protect you better? Why didn't you choose one of them? Means अर्जुन और भीम दोनों ही बहुत स्किलफुल थे और नकुल और सहदेव छोटे थे अभी. ठीक है, तो he said कि why didn't you choose that भीम और अर्जुन instead of नकुल? Yudhishthir replied, I believe that righteousness. What is the meaning of righteousness? Being morally right. Righteousness and the truth are the only protection one has. The strength of Bhim and the skill of Arjun will not help if one attacked in an unrighteous manner. My father Pandu had 2 wives. उनकी 2 wives थी मेरे पापा की, and Kunti and Madri. Bhim and Arjun and I. Bhim, Arjun and I, Kunti's children. हम तीनों कुंती के children and we are siblings. And while Sahadev and Nakul are Madri's children. और जो नकुल और सहदेव जो सबसे छोटे थे वो माद्री के चिल्ड्रन थे. ऑफ कुंतीज चिल्ड्रन आई एम फॉर्चुनेट टू बी अलाइव. भाई कुंती के जो चिल्ड्रन थे उनमें से मैं अभी बचा हुआ हूँ. आई एम अलाइव. सो इन ऑर्डर टू बी फेयर आई रिक्वेस्टेड यू टू रिवाइव नकुल. अब उन्होंने कहा कि कुंती के सन में से अगर मैं अलाइव हूँ तो माद्री के सन में से भी कोई होना चाहिए. दैट्स वाई आई एम asking you to alive Nakul. Yaksh, I am actually Yam, the lord of death. I had taken the form of the deer to test you. Yes, it was tricky. It was planned that Yaksh Yamraj wanted to test them. I am pleased with your sense of justice. As a reward, I will restore the lives of all your brothers. Means at last he was convinced to give the life with the beautiful answers of the Yaksh, and he was so generous and he was so practical also, we can say that. And he was his decision was very fair, that between Kunti and Madri, that I was alive, so please let the Nakul alive again. So he was very pleased with his answer. Yaksh Yamraj was very pleased and he restored the life of all his brothers. It was very interesting story. Once again read this chapter. It's a very simple language, not a very hard words are there, so you can understand very well. Okay, goodbye, take care.